Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be cooking some lamb burgers. So I'll show you what I got. Here's all my ingredients. Just going to finely chop this onion to put in with the lamb. Add some mint, bit of garlic, salt and pepper. I've got some lean lamb mince. I'm going to mash it all down. So I've laid a base because the ground's wet. So I've just got some birch bark off the tree, so I'm going to light it with that. So I'm going to let this burn down to coals and then I'm going to cook on it. And I'm going to put these old bits of charred wood on as well, because they really catch fire quite easy. I put a bit of fresh mint in with them burgers as well, chopped it up. Recommends just turn up.
Hi guys.
Because he wants some of them burgers.
They look nice. What is it, lamb?
Lamb, yeah, with a bit of salad.
Very nice.
And I've put the tarp up because it does look like it might rain.
Done a good job there, Ange.
So I'm flying a tarp today. I've tied the 4 corners to 4 trees. And I've put a long stick in the middle. It's like a parasol.
Out the elements, they reckon showers, didn't they? So
yeah,
it's a good move. Nice for preparing your food under, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
And it's a nice height because we can walk underneath it.
Yeah. Then beetroots are going to take about 20 minutes.
So they fresh from our garden, are they?
Yeah, you grew them. Dean also grew the tomatoes and the radish. So I just rounded the top of this bit of wood off because I'm going to bang it into the ground and I don't want it mushrooming where it'll all split when I baton it into the ground. I put a spike on the other end. I want to get 4 of these and I want to make a little table to prepare my food in that corner over there. There's the makeshift table. Make life a bit easier. And I can lift the top off when I want to carry things over to the fire. Starting to rain now, but the fire's really hot, so it's good. I've put a knife in them beetroots and they're done now. I'm just roasting them beetroots a little bit. The burgers are doing nicely. Voila!
Thanks, Mrs. Bushwhacker.
Okay.
Very nice. Lamb burgers on the campfire.
Minky.
Lovely. Really nice, guys. Beetroots are nice.
I like. So yarns. That's a garlic and mint sauce on there.
How many of these have I got? 2?
2.
Very nice, guys.
So Bushwhacker Man's getting his second one.
Like this onion.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, look at that, guys. Eat your heart out.
Now we're going to finish off with a nice hot drink.
What are we having for a brew then, Ange?
Cappuccino. Isn't that?
Very nice.
Saves all that bending, the high table.
That's a lovely table we made there, Ange. Made in the woods, eh?
Made in the woods.
Hence the name. So that's what you're doing, is it?
What?
With your channel, you're going to make things in the woods?
Yep.
Predominantly cooking, guys, I think it's going to be. And
I like my food.
predominantly cooking and bushcraft skills, so I think it's quite an appropriate name.
It's easier cooking outdoors than in.
Yeah. Yeah, so she's going to start doing all different recipes. And if you got any suggestions, guys, of recipes, and Made in the Woods will make them for you, and you can see how they turn out. So So she's going to do some crafty bits and some cooking bits. So it'll be quite an interesting channel. So all 4 of us now are running a channel. So plenty to go through and watch, and different aspects of everything. So yeah, I'm talking all on your channel.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
She likes me talking on her channel. So yeah, so she's knocked up that little table. That's just a baking tray that we bought from home, and then she's pounded them poles into the ground, spiked them off like you see, and pounded them in, and it's come up quite a nice little table. And we got a nice little cappuccino here. But don't say nothing, guys, but I think I'm a better bushcraft cook than Mrs. Bushwhacker. Right, we're going to enjoy this, guys. Yeah, Orange, I'm taking over your channel.
Cheers. So this little fledgling we've just found.
He's fallen out of a tree of falcons, got hold of it, and managed to run over before the bird of prey ripped it to pieces. He's bleeding a little bit, poor guy, but if we stay around he might recover. But I'm going to probably leave this one, you know, for nature to take its course. I think the nest's only up there, so hopefully Mum will come back and give this little fella a helping hand. But I'm going to stay here for a while just so that bird of prey don't come back.
Because we've already got a little crow at home, fledgling, that we saved from a cat, which is quite hard work.
Seems like I'm the birdman lately.
We don't want to have another one.
You spend time in nature and you see all these things, so give him a little helping hand.
So that's it now, we just got to pack up and we'll be heading off home. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, great, lovely burgers,
Yep.
Lovely lamb burgers. Hope that's inspired you to get out there and maybe do some camp cooking or try Mrs. Bushwhacker's lamb burgers. Went down a treat, didn't they?
Yep.
So we're going to be signing off now, and till the next one, eh, Ange?
Yep. See you next time. Bye.
Made in the woods.